everybody. Today we're going to be making mini chocolate cake. Okay, everybody. First, we start with the butter. This is the butter, right? Flour. We start with the flour. So first, let me down. Pour the flour in there. No, not yet, not yet. You add in the cocoa. I can do it. Then you put baking powder in. It makes it extra white. This is baking soda. Bake is in the word. And then add, oops. Might not be bad. We're good. Now feel it.
Okay.
Just a teeny tiny bit more. It's so delicious. You can try some. But it's really good.
A little bit.
Now add the egg. By the way, I'm 6.
Sour cream.
And then mix the sour cream. And then add it. Do I add it, Daddy?
Mm-hmm.
Add the sour cream. Mix them together. See what happens. Mix all those creams. And then add our secret ingredient, wait. Where are those little spoons?
You don't need it. Let's go.
No, I do. Yes, I do. I need measurements. Yeah. No, the measurements. Remember? Those. Now whip it up. Definitely smells good. Daddy, Mister,
Yes.
I need a whip.
Whisk.
I can do this other part. Can't I? Wait, let's make a well. The walls need to hold together on a well. In and through the well. It goes.
Okay, hold on.
I can do it. I take a spoon. Wait. Then add little by little and mix by little by little. And then it'll become a chocolate. Oh, the chocolate of the chocolate. It will become, I can do it.
A little bit, not too much.
I can.
I'll tell you when. No, you don't need a spoon. I'll just tell you when.
And now add this thing.
Glycerin. That's
Glycerin.
enough. That's enough. That's enough. That's way too much. More coffee.
Coffee?
A little bit. Not all of that, maybe half of that.
And add some coffee.
Makes the flavour deeper.
Add some coffee. And I know what you're thinking. Coffee is for grown-ups, but it's in the recipe. Tell me when to stop.
That's enough for now.
Okay, everybody. This animation is almost over. Wait, no, we need a spatula, Dad. I scraped it off the edge. Now I think I start sticking.
Okay, now we got to put these in the oven.
Okay.
Okay, say goodbye for now to everyone.
Okay. Bye. See you till the next video. So long. Until the next return. Bye. Until the next baking room.